Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about the Marshall Acton III Bluetooth speaker, especially since I just spotted it on sale for $199.99, which is about a 33% discount off the list price. If you like the idea of a compact, stylish home speaker that delivers more than it looks like it would, this one might be worth a closer look. So, I've been using the Acton III over the past days, and here's what stands out. First, the design is classic Marshall, leatherette finish, tactile knobs, that retro amp vibe that just feels premium. It's not trying to hide in your living space. But beyond looks, the sound is surprisingly bold. This generation is re-engineered with a wider stereo soundstage, tweeters angled outward, and new waveguides that push the sound further. At everyday listening volumes, it handles vocals and mids cleanly, and when you crank it up, it has guts while still staying balanced thanks to its dynamic loudness mode. It's also built with some modern touches, Bluetooth 5.2 for solid connectivity, plus a 3.5mm line-in for wired use. Notably, the build is more sustainable this generation. PVC-free materials, 70% recycled plastic, and vegan-friendly materials. Setup is simple, pair and play, no painful configurations. The Marshall app gives options too, like software updates and remote control, but you don't have to rely on it. Now, a few caveats, because I like being upfront. First, there's no built-in battery. This is a plug-in home speaker, so you can't carry it around like a typical portable Bluetooth speaker. Second, while the sound is immersive, at extreme volumes, some users note that the imaging is better when you're fairly centered rather than off to the side. Also, for such a premium price, you won't get features like multi-room stereo out of the box, and it may not compete against larger, more feature-heavy speakers on sheer power. So what's my verdict? For someone who wants a stylish, compact home speaker that punches well above its size, the Acton III is a solid pick. It nails that balance of aesthetics, sound fidelity, and convenience, as long as you accept its plug-in constraint. I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. If you're curious, I'll leave a link in the description below. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.